Why do hiccups make that sudden, annoying hic sound? A lot of people think it comes from your throat, but that's not where it actually starts. So what's really causing that sound? I'll tell you. But first, if you've ever had hiccups, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. A hiccup begins when the muscle under your lungs suddenly tightens on its own. That spasm forces a quick breath in. As the air rushes upward, your vocal cords snap shut without warning. That sudden stop in airflow is what creates the hic sound.